Friends, we'll read from chapter 15, Magically Heal Your Relationships. If you have a difficult or broken relationship, are suffering from a broken heart, or hold in resentment or blame towards another person for anything, you can change it through gratitude. Gratitude will magically improve any difficult relationship, whether that person is a husband or wife, brother or sister, son or daughter, partner, boss, business, client, work colleague, mother or father in law, parent, friend, or neighbor. When we are faced with a difficult relationship or challenging situation in a relationship, in almost cases, we are not least bit grateful for the other person. Instead, we are busy blaming the other person or for the problems we have with them. And that means we don't have a shred of gratitude. Blame is never going to make a relationship better, and it's never going to make your life better. In fact, more you blame, the worse the relationship gets, and the worse your life gets. Whether it's a current relationship or a past relationship, if you harbor bad feelings towards another person, practicing gratitude will eliminate those feelings. Why would you want to remove your bad feelings about another person? Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the only one who gets burnt. Gautam Buddha, Sarsa 563 BC, 483 BC. Bad feelings about another person burn your life, but gratitude will eliminate them. For example, if you have an ex partner who is connected to your thought, your children, and the relationship is good, look at your children's faces. Realize that they won't be alive if it wasn't for your ex-partner. Your children's life is one of the most precious gift you have. Look at your children, give thanks to your ex-partner in their lives every single day, as well as bringing peace and harmony to relationship. Through your example, you will be teaching your children the greatest tool of for their life, gratitude. Or if you're suffering from a broken heart or grief due to relationship having ended, you can use gratitude magical power to transform your pain. Gratitude magically transfers emotional pain into healing and happiness faster than anything else. And the story of my parents is a perfect example of that. My mother and father fell into love with each other virtually at first sight. From the moment they met, they were truly grateful to be with each other, and they had to be the most beautiful marriage I have ever seen. When my father died, my mother understood and suffered from enormous grief. After months of suffering, she began to use gratitude's magical power. Despite her immense grief pain, she looked for things to be grateful for. She began with the past, then she began the wonderful time of happiness she received through the decades with my father. Then she took the next big step. She looked for things to be grateful for in the future. One by one, she found them. She found or remembered things she had always wanted to do but didn't have time to do when my father was alive. And with the courageous step of gratitude, opportunities to fulfill her dreams magically poured in her life, and her life became rich with happiness again. The magical power of gratitude gave my mother a new life. For today's magical practice, you're going to look for a hot coal that is burning in your life and literally turning it into gold through gratitude. Choose one difficult, problematic, or broken relations that you want to improve. It doesn't matter whether the person is currently in your life or it's a past relationship, the person is no longer in your life. Sit down and make a written list of 10 things you are grateful for about the person you have chosen. Think back about the history of the relationship and list the great things about the person or the great things you have received from the relationship. The easiest way to do so is think back the way things were before the relationship deteriorated and ended. If the relationship was never good, then think about any good qualities in the person because they are there. The magical practice is not about who is right or wrong. No matter what you feel someone has done to you, no matter what someone said or didn't do, you can magically heal the relationship, and you don't need the other person in order to heal it. There is gold in every relationship, in the difficult ones. And to bring riches into all your relationship or life, you have to find the gold. As you dig and discover, nudge the gold, write it down, address the person by name, and express your sentence of gratitude. Name: I am grateful for what? Question mark. Paul: I am grateful for our time together while the marriage did end. I learned a lot. I am so much wiser today and used what I learned for our marriage in many of my relationship today. Second, Paul, I'm grateful for everything you did to try to make our marriage better because 10 years of marriage means you did try. Three, Paul, I'm grateful to you for our children. The joy I receive from them every day could not be without you. Four, Paul, I'm grateful for the hard work and long hours you put in to support our family while I'm home taking care of children. It is a big responsibility to have all of us dependent on you. So thank you. Paul, I'm grateful for the precious moment I had with our children as they grew up. I got to see our children talk and walk for the first time. I know you didn't have that opportunity. Paul, I'm grateful for your support when I went through a difficult time of grief and loss. I'm grateful for the times when I was sick and you did the best to take care of me and my children. Paul, I'm grateful for the times we had and we did have many. Paul, I'm grateful for what you want to continue to be a father of our children. Paul, I'm grateful for the support of a time you want to give to your children. I know they mean as much to as they to me. By the time you finish your gratitude, list down 10 things you feel much better about the person and the relationship. The ultimate point you want to reach is where you don't have any bad feelings toward the person anymore. But this is your life that is harmed by those feelings. Every relationship is different and need be. You may choose to repeat this magical practice over several days until you reach the point where you don't have any bad feelings towards the person anymore. If you're using gratitude with magical power to improve your current relationship, you will see the relationship begin to change miraculously before your eyes. It only takes one person to magically change a relationship through gratitude. But if a person who uses gratitude receives the benefit in the whole life, if you choose a past relationship, not in contact with the person anymore, you will feel peace and happiness fill you. At the same time, you will see other current relationships in your life magically improve. In future, if a relationship becomes challenging, remember to use the magical practice immediately. You will stop the difficulties before they get any bigger, and instead you will increase the magic in the relationship. Magical practice 15. Magically heal your relationship. First, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why are you grateful. Read your list. End of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as much gratitude for the person as you can. Choose one difficult, problematic, or broken relationship that you want to improve. Third, sit down, make a written list of 10 things you're grateful for about your person you have chosen. Write it down following name I'm grateful for what. Just before you go to sleep, hold your magic rock in one hand, say the magic word thank you for the best thing happened for the day.